Hello everyone, today I am going to share a topic about top psychology books. 1. Outliers, the story of success by Malcolm Gladwell. Investigates the factors that contribute to high levels of success. 2. Influence, the psychology of persuasion by Robert B. Cialdini. Examines the principles of persuasion and how they can be applied in everyday life. 3. Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor E. Frankl. A profound exploration of finding purpose and meaning in life based on Frankl's experiences in Nazi concentration camps. 4. The Power of Habit, Why We Do What We Do in Life and Business by Charles Duhigg. Discusses the science behind habit formation and how habits can be changed. 5. Quiet, The Power of Introverts in a World That Can't Stop Talking by Susan Cain. Highlights the strengths and contributions of introverts in a predominantly extroverted society. 6. Emotional Intelligence, Why It Can Matter More Than IQ by Daniel Goleman. Explores the concept of emotional intelligence and its impact on personal and professional success. 7. Predictably Irrational, The Hidden Forces That Shape Our Decisions by Dan Ariely. Investigates the irrational behaviors that influence our decision-making processes. 8. The Happiness Hypothesis, Finding Modern Truth in Ancient Wisdom by Jonathan Haidt. Combines ancient wisdom with modern psychology to explore the nature of happiness. 9. Mistakes Were Made by Carol Tavris and Elliot Aronson. Examines the cognitive dissonance and self-justification that lead people to make and stick to mistakes. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Hope you enjoyed our YouTube series. See you soon in next video. Till then, bye bye.